Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Motorola Razr Fold isn't detecting your SIM card. In such case, first of all, lock your device's screen and remove the SIM card from your smartphone. To do that, use the pin unlocker like this one. Now we're gonna have to find the pin hole on the SIM card tray. Insert this tool inside, push it slightly, and then remove the tray from your smartphone. Now, what we have to check is whether the SIM card is inserted like this, whether it's not falling out when we rotate the tray, and whether the contacts are clean. You can try to clean the contacts using dry cloth, preferably microfiber cloth. You can also dip your microfiber cloth in isopropyl alcohol in order to wipe the contacts. Make sure not to use too much, and make sure to dry wipe your SIM card afterwards. And when you can see that it's clean, try reinserting it into your smartphone. And also, if your smartphone doesn't detect your SIM card right away, try checking your SIM card in another smartphone first. Okay. Now let's go to our device's settings. In settings, let's select network and internet. Check your SIM cards and mobile network. And if you do not see your SIM card in here, then first of all, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to System Updates section. Check for updates. If you have an update to install, then let your phone download and install the most recent version. And after that, let your smartphone restart, or restart it manually by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. Once your device is restarted, check for your SIM card once again, and if your phone still isn't detecting it, scroll down to the system part of the settings, open the system menu, go to reset options, and reset mobile network settings. Confirm and enter your password. Confirm once again, and after that, your device should be able to detect your SIM card. If not, then you should at this point contact your carrier and verify whether your SIM card is active. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.